Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Fry. Today I'm gonna show door squeaking noise and how to fix it. This one has loud squeaking noise when opening and closing the door. Listen, this is so much loud squeaking noise from the door. Mostly noise coming from this door checker. We call the other names door stopper. Once to worn out this plastic area, it's a make noise like a squeaking and grinding. So I'm gonna show how to fix it in less than 1 minute. Once you go into the engine room side, open the hood, and then take out the oil dipstick. It has attached the last engine oil, and just drop the couple of engine oil onto the door checker. After the 1 and 2 and several dropped engine oil, it's not enough. You guys more than a couple of more drops, and then smeared around upside, downside, even all in and outside, like this. That's so much easy. You don't need any special grease and anything lubricate. Take a listen. Normal noise remains. Mechanics usually use white grease, red grease, and some other grease, but you don't have any such a suitable grease. You can use cooking oil at your homes. Some severe case need to be replaced, cause too much worn out door checker rod. Thank you for watching.